welcome to my channel. So look at these fresh potatoes. My mother's friend sent us a lot of potatoes which are in season right now. So today I'm gonna make some delicious roasted potatoes. My flatmate taught me how to make this dish before. So after tasting it, I was so impressed and fell in love with it. So maybe you will love it too. So okay, here are today's simple ingredients. Only olive oil is tasty enough, but adding some butter improves the flavor. And I'm gonna use about 1 kilogram of potatoes today, but you can use this recipe for half kilogram or for 2 kilogram. It's very easy to adjust up and down depending on how much potatoes you need. So okay, first remove the soil from the potatoes. I won't peel, so remove the dirt carefully. And then remove the potato eyes. However, if you don't mind, you can skip this step. And please preheat the oven before cutting the potatoes. I use a microwave toaster oven combo and bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. And if you use an oven, bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes or bake until the potatoes are fork tender. So, and then next, cut the potatoes in half. So next, prepare the chopsticks or use wooden cutlery of the same thickness. I'm gonna lay them down, then I'm gonna place the potato in between the gap to stop the knife going all the way through. I'm gonna make a little slices every few millimeters or half a centimeter all the way down. You can see what we have done here is create, kind of like a nicely little open texture. This way it looks lovely and the oil is well coated on the surface and soak up the flavors. So next, season the potatoes. Add the melted butter and olive oil. And then add roughly half a teaspoon of salt and black pepper. Finally, add the sprig of fresh rosemary or thyme, also good. This gives it an incredibly good smell, and then toast together. So next, line your baking tray with baking sheet and line up the potatoes. At that time, make sure all the cut sides are facing up. And then we're gonna pour all this amazing oil. So I'm gonna pop this in the oven. It's gonna be really delicious potatoes. Okay, time has come. Have a look at great Hasselback potatoes. These potatoes are so aromatic from the rosemary. I think these are perfect for me. Okay, and then I'm gonna garnish them with some fresh parsley over the top. And this is optional, but it's also delicious with Parmesan cheese on top. These potatoes are so incredibly tender on the inside and they are super crispy outside. You're gonna love these with any type of roasted or grilled meat and seafood. So please give them a try. So thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!